Hi, this is day 2 of learning Rive, and today I learned something powerful called solo. Solo lets you create multiple versions of the same character inside one artboard. For example, I created a small bird character. One version is normal, and another version has wings and an open mouth. Using solo, I can switch between these two versions without creating a new animation. I connected both versions using a trigger input. Then I used a listener with the pointer down action. So whenever I click on the bird, it switches between the two solo layers. This makes the animation interactive, not just visual. One click and the character reacts instantly. In After Effects, this would mean duplicating layers, toggling visibility, or writing expression. But in Rive, it happens in real time, inside the app or website. This is day 2. More learning coming.